Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize a taskbar in Samsung Galaxy Book. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start and open our settings. Here find personalization, taskbar, and now we can adjust it. We can lock or unlock our taskbar. When it's locked, you won't be able to move it. When it's unlocked, you can move it around the screen. So for example, we'll be able to get it on top just like that. Then there's automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop. When you activate it, it will hide. When you're not moving your mouse, when you scroll over it, it will pop up. Then there's automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. So that means when your laptop, detects that you're using the touch screen, it will hide the taskbar. Use small taskbar buttons. When you activate it, your taskbar becomes much smaller. Use peek to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to show desktop button at the end of the taskbar. So when you activate it, you will get this button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and when you click on it, it will show you the desktop, and when it's activated, it won't. Replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in menu. When I right click the start button or press Windows logo key plus X, and this will change the PowerShell to CMD. When it's deactivated, when it's on, it will get you the okay, so this actually makes PowerShell available, and when it's off, I think it should be gone. Yep, there's a command prompt, and when it's activated, you get the actual PowerShell. Then there's show badges in the taskbar, and when you activate it or deactivate it, I'm not sure what it does, but it should show you the badges. And then there's taskbar location on the screen. We can change it to bottom, left, right, or top. Combine taskbar buttons, always hide labels when the taskbar is full, or never. And I think that's all of the options for the, or actually no. We can also use multiple desktops, news and interest, but that's not regarding the taskbar customization itself. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.